Hello, this is Cameron, Master Academy. This is an appeal to the community, the Casio community, whatever community, probably the Casio community. Anyone who has worked on this action with these, this great hammer action. Oh, didn't get the flashlight, but yeah, there's enough ring light there. If you know what you're looking at, you can see there's the hammers down there. And getting it reassembled, these came off when it fell down. And then we have a couple more over here which came completely disconnected, but nothing's broken. And I was able to get the things off the pins. And again, if you know what you're looking at, you'll know the drill. And this really is a question. I viewed several videos about taking these apart and putting them back together. And they always say, okay, we're going to take the keys off, and then they do a cut, and the keys are off. And then they put it back together, and do a cut, and the keys are on. And thanks, guys, that's not helping me, because you're supposed to get these, this part, goes over that rubber part of the hammer, but getting it in there, they say to pull. In the videos I've watched, they said pull the key out, and it'll go down over it, but this rail's in the way. And I'm hesitant to even call it a rail because I cannot find anywhere that there's any kind of seam or anything. So guys, if you could just drop something in the comments, or shoot me a line. I'm going to put this on Facebook, I guess, too. And if you have any info, I would most appreciate it, because I'm kind of coming to my wits' end here. Thanks, guys. This is Cameron. Talk to you soon, I hope. Bye.